Good morning and welcome to CNN, China's News Now, for our special report on birthday balloons at Thomas More College. It seems birthday balloons have become very disgruntled over their recent banning at Thomas More College. Over now to the courtroom scene.
Now, since the dawn of time, my clients have been persecuted. Now, they've been popped. They've been molested. They've been slaves at children's birthday parties, all for the pursuit of higher voices. Now, the time has come, Your Honor. Enough is enough. Now, these balloons, my clients, they simply want a place to call home. And Thomas More was that place. The people of Thomas More, the birthday students, they were content to treat these balloons as equals. But now this man, by outlawing birthday balloons, is effectively condoning a balloon holocaust, a massacre of happiness, and the death of the birthday balloon.
Your Honor, my opponent has committed one fatal flaw in this case today. This flaw is personifying the balloons. You see, balloons are not capable of these emotions. Emma has given the balloons morals, feelings, happiness. You see, balloons only have one emotion, and that emotion is hate. Before I call my witness, I've also taken the opportunity to compile a video. For sensitive viewers, be warned, it is quite graphic.
Enough with your videos! Call your first witness!
I call Mr. van der Merwe. Sir, can you tell me about the essay you marked last week?
It's awful! Tim used to be such an expressive writer. Now ever since the balloons came along, he's been so distracted. Could you provide more details? This, the essay, it just says balloons.
But it didn't stop there, did it?
No, this morning he handed this in.
I'm sorry for your loss, sir.
Generally, I would understand, but this time it's just not fair. Call your first witness.
Now I call Abigail Hillistow to take the stand.
Whatever. Hate, 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 hate. I don't care what these chicks say. I don't even.
Abigail, darling, tell us your story.
Like, I'm pretty and I'm popular and like, how are people gonna know? Like, State's got like 20 balloons. I only get like 3, 4, just cut it ain't like 40 balloons. Like, I'm pretty right. It's like my life, like, you know, like my friends come on my birthday and they're like, we celebrate, and like I just get balloons, presents, and I want like 40 balloons, like, and like what's like 4 or 5? Like that's like, yeah, cool, like we're like friends, but like, I only had like 4 or 5 balloons at home and make an effort, like, like it's hard. It is. Like if I'm walking around with like 4 or 5 balloons, like people are like what the hell? It's like it's a birthday,
It's
but
okay,
no one
Abby.
really.
Thank you. I rest my case.
Wait, Your Honor, I want to cross-examine the witness.
Permission granted.
Tell me, Miss Hellistow, when is your birthday?
June 29th.
Now, isn't that during the school holidays?
It was leap year.
It wasn't.
Order! Order!
Your Honor, I'd like to call my second witness. Now tell me, sir, you're one of the leaders of the anti-balloon movement. Why is that?
Yes, with all these balloons, anything that's larger or louder than me should be banned at Thomas More College. I rest my case, as if it's not bad enough competing with the JP and the playground and people practicing in the hall. How can I teach? This is disrespectful. Ban them, I say.
I now call up Nakar's 12th birthday balloon from 2013 to the stand. Now, how did you feel when you first heard about the anti-balloon movement? Oh, heartbreaking. And do you feel like you are being unfairly discriminated against? You preach it, brother. It's time to make that change, Thomas More. Birthday balloons deserve rights. Thomas More likes rights.
Wait! Stop! Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the judge cannot rule on this proceeding because of this.
Everyone knows I'm large and in charge.
6'7", cut as cane, 2 harpoons. Where them whales at?
If you're not wearing your vest and track pants, then get lost.
Enough said.
I'm Georgie, and if you're not big enough for me, then you're out.
Yay! 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 Thomas Shaw! Yay! Yay!
After a grueling round of auditions, the Thomas Shaw crew has selected the contestants for the greatest reality show on the planet. It's day 1. The judges are preparing for the first challenge.
What's so hard? Sorry, do you by any chance have any lipstick?
Got some lipstick here for you.
Thanks very much.
Has to look nice for the
Beautiful
shot,
colour.
so
Thank you. I think that guy Alex has got quite a lot of potential.
Quite big, eh?
Yeah. Decent. Seen bigger. Callan, my favourite. He's quite small, dude.
It's challenge time. Welcome everyone. This is the most basic challenge to get onto the Thomas Shaw crew. If you cannot pass this, you do not deserve a place on the team.
So guys, you've seen the contestants now. Is there anyone that strikes you as your favourite yet? Rory. I like the way his chest moves. Tricep Todd. He's so fresh.
First contestant, Callan. Grab your weights. Okay. We need someone your size to spot for you. Todd, you're up.
Got you, brother.
Well, you know, Callan Wesley, he started off as my favourite, you know. I really liked him, he looked good, he had a great vibe to him. But then, his colour scheme today, no. just doesn't do it for me. It's the summer season, you know, we've just broken in from winter to spring, but he's still using the winter colors. You can clearly see it's his first competition, and he doesn't know how to use himself. I don't know. Ken Wesley, great. We'll see.
A contestant that's definitely caught my eye today is Todd. I do think he has the potential to be a winner. His triceps will bring him very far.
We don't believe in weightlifting. Cardio's the way.
Jordan and Damon have gone for a different strategy. They've gone for cardio, and I actually think it's going to pay off for them in the long run.
Hey Abby, who am I supposed to be?
Rory.
Hey Alex. Hey Paul. Can I help you?
I don't think I was doing anything wrong.
No. Everyone knows you have to do kettlebells together.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Out of all contestants, I really enjoyed Paul the most. You see, it's hard to explain, but you see, because most of the people come to gym underdressed, but Paul, sorry, I get a little bit emotional. Paul, his vest, I have a thing, hey.
Don't rush it, concentrate on form and pose.
Rush me.
Okay guys, go. No, can't handle anymore.
I think what he's doing is very impressive, but I think he needs to concentrate more on his hair. And socks with slops.
There's 10 seconds left, Rory. Get your pump on.
10, 3, 2, 1, yay!
Okay guys, what do you think? Who's going, who's staying?
I personally think Paul should stay. Everything about it is just good.
Don't think so.
I disagree as well. I'm with you on that. I don't think he is the type that we need. We're not looking for that.
But did you not see he had style?
Sorry son, this is your first job. I've been doing this for 25 years.
We don't see many people with style in gyms.
It's not the style.
It's not just style. You're
Enough.
looking for other things as well.
Enough.
It's not
His
only
routine
enough.
wasn't fun.
Callum Wesley.
I think he is
Can't
not
stay.
overlooking.
He was my favorite until I saw his kind of
I'm gonna disagree with you. Callum.
And I think he didn't push hard enough.
He really didn't. He really didn't.
It's not what we need. The judges and I have been watching closely and have made our decisions. Callum, Paul, please step forward. We have been watching and we have noticed your form, your weights and your styles just weren't there. We expect a lot more from you. Callum, have you ever been to a gym before?
Twice.
That was a disgrace. Please leave.
I've just discovered something very, very disappointing about one of our contestants, Joel Smith.
Baby, please call him in.
Very serious, please, just come.
What is this?
You're fine on soon enough. Sit down, please.
What's happening, guys?
Son, don't speak. Speak when you're spoken to.
Joel, we found this on your iPod.
Sisters, I swear.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love.
We cannot accept this. Please leave.
Thought you'd all
5 contestants left. It's the final challenge. Baby, today you're going to be faced with a bunch of challenges. They will really test you in all the skills needed in life.
What is this? What is this? This guru is just messing up my show. My show! Oh, it just looks ridiculous. Can someone please help me out here?
So, this is the final hurdle, the final rep. Only one will emerge from the ashes. Now, your challenge will be... There is one among us that is simply too large. You, come here. Baby. Take this. The crew has voted you out. It's always happened. It's always happened. My muscles aren't too big. It's just water, guys. It's just water.
You know, I'm actually quite bleak that he's gone, eh? He was actually a very good contestant. His body was very symmetrical.
His gradient from one shoulder to another, no jokes, 72. Almost looked like this.
It was a bit like a point, eh? It
Like
was.
his one trap. And did you see his legs?
His legs!
Size of my ankles.
Smaller.
That's true.
It is.
Yeah.
The first part of this challenge is vest design.
We did that because we're really keen to make vests. Me and John have been making vests for quite a while now. And as you can see, we've got the technique down. We've got just so we're not showing the nipples, but really thin as well.
And the low cut V is also very nice.
I started gymming when I was 12. I've never seen oaks behave like this before, eh?
Yeah, B, not cool. That Alex guy, don't know if you can quite cut it.
Yeah, and that Jordan bloke. I heard that he can cut a vest better than he can cut his body, bruh.
Okay guys, the aim for this task is to cut the straps as thin as you can. You have an hour. On your marks, get set, cut!
Good choice of material, son.
Thank you.
As you can see, this material, very porous. It allows sweat to go out but locks in the heat. It's good for keeping your pump on.
That's
Good
exactly
choice.
why I chose it. Thank you.
Looking at a winner.
If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand?
Day Day, I see you don't have any scissors like everyone else. What are you doing here?
Using my teeth, I'm all natural.
This is not allowed. You have to use scissors.
I really like your choice of brand, Fox.
Thanks.
Love it, it's very good.
And the pattern as well. Tribal is in season.
But your blade's not sharp enough.
No.
Your wrist action's wrong. That's going to affect your press.
This is a new
Your
design.
posture. You're not doing it right.
This is a new design coming in
No,
from
no,
Europe,
no,
guys.
no, 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 no.
I know these
We
things.
expect a bit of you.
We
You're
really
gonna
did.
see. I'm gonna do this. Watch.
Here, Day Day, you can use my special Ben 10 scissors.
Oh yeah.
See, the judges and I have a bit of a concern with Jordan. He's not abiding by the Schwarzenegger constant. There's a consistency.
It's so thin. Getting so thin now.
Ah! No! Oh, no! 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 Oh, I can't believe that happened.
He cut the vest. I'm so upset. I can't believe you're not meant to cut the vest. And now he's gonna leave. He was my favorite. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the vest reveal. Vest reveal?
I'm a wire!
After hours and hours of discussion, the judges and I have come to a final decision. The winner is Tricep Todd.
Oh God. I'd like to thank my ma and my pa, you know. If I'm honest, when you're getting big, you don't get big alone. You need someone to cook for you. You need a dad to tell you, you know, you my son, I want you to behave like a bowmaster and just, you know, be cool. I would like to thank my oma, my opa, Tani, you know, all these people, they make a difference.
As well as a place on the Thomas Shaw crew, he also gets some essentials. Some A-grade sups sponsored by Nutritech and some beauty products. Come collect your prize.
Thomas More College? I think we're in the wrong place. Hey, look, there's Bianca.
They see me mowing my front lawn. I know they're all thinking I'm so wide and nerdy.
Hey guys, wanna hear a funny joke? Well, anyway, why are 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
Because 7 ain't 9.
No, that was Sam.
What's wrong with Sam?
E, haven't you all seen Sam, except? E.
What are you guys doing?
Convincing Liam to ask out Angie.
Hey.
Come on, Liam, she's over there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
We run this mother. Girls who run the world. 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 Girls who run this mother.
Hey, are you Copperterillian? Because you are C-U-T-E-Q.
Sorry, but I just want to be friends. The only one left for you is Sam.
Well, I suppose Sam is quite attractive.
I guess it's because of the gravity, okay? Right there, the gravity. Can you see?
Hey, yeah, bro. Hey.
Hey, look, okay?
Nerdy, Melvin! See, Melvin? Everything's opposite! Let's go!
Oh my gosh, I can't believe he asked you. You can do so much better.
I know, oh my gosh. Have you seen Sam lately? She lost so much weight.
I know.
My word, she looks so good.
Oh look, there she is.
Hey, gorgeous.
Hey girlfriends! We're gonna go check out the rugby team.
You want to come with?
I'm kind of busy. Okay, bye girlfriend.
Bye, girl.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Look at those girls over there.
Yeah. So what are you fellas up to?
Just hitting the gym.
It's chest day.
Yeah.
Okay, see you fellas later.
Dude, this is too weird. Oh, where's Sarah?
Look at my car over there.
Shotgun.
No. No.
I'm gonna
Take this outside. Man, I brought the pre-workout.
Wait up! There's Sarah.
Just come out, see you. Hey, Hey,
Shorty.
Shorty.
Hey!
Tall Camille. Short
is really messed up here.
Yeah, it could be worse. We could have a prefix system.
هلا اجا الزعيم العظيم على دين الشعب يقول اني حاكم كريم اي ايوه اسعد دوبس حاسي كيف وبتقول يا زول وان جنرال على ولكن كان ميمي تو كنت تيري باكي ركلا بلي وچ مخنا لوكا كي ركلا.
Morning class, I'm Mr. Keeple and you can follow me on Twitter. I'm at Keep Stop. Hey, hashtag. I'm going to be calling out the child marks. I'm very disappointed, class. Very disappointed, eh? You guys have been stuffing around, eh? Stuffing around. Okay. Kelton, 50%. Chesney, 98%. Josh Ward, 110%. Martin, 40%. What? 50%? 60? 70? 80?
And then he said, peer support is not a joke.
What doing when a fat boy tripping?
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say? Hatty hatty hat ho, hatty hatty hat ho, hatty hatty hat ho. What the fuck say? What the fuck say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by Morse? How will you speak to that horse? What does the fox say? What the fuck say?
know foxes could talk.
They can't, bro. They sure can twerk.
We'll be right back.